For over 10 years, the FleetBoard system of the Daimler FleetBoard GmbH has supported logistic companies with its telematics services, enabling customers to achieve higher economic efficiency. The vehicle management package with its detailed driving analyses, known as performance analyses, is our best-selling product. In addition to these functions, customers and workshops can also gain an overview of the technical functionality of the vehicle. One important component of the vehicle management is the uptime service. This is most relevant for the workshop. As soon as the customer has activated one of the workshops for the uptime service, the workshop technicians can see the active faults of the customer's vehicles via the FleetBoard internet page. The workshop is then prepared in advance for the customer's visit. The described uptime service gains an important meaning for the world of Daimler and for the new Actros, as a new process of reactive telediagnosis is established.
In case of an emergency, the driver pushes the service call button. Stored fault codes will be sent via the FleetBoard server directly to CAC in Maastricht. Data such as breakdown position and breakdown reason will be sent to the local MPC. The MPC forwards the data to the local workshop, which goes out to the vehicle with already existing information about the breakdown cause, which will save a lot of time and money.
In addition to the automatic data transfer, the owner of the breakdown vehicle contacts the MPC in his country. By doing so, repair assignments can be set. The fleet assistance of the future is called proactive telediagnosis. A pilot project has already started in the markets of South Africa and the Netherlands.
With the FleetBoard Uptime Viewer, we can monitor the technical status of our Mercedes-Benz trucks. It's actually the right tool to identify technical problems, actually fault codes on a truck in a very early stage. Major benefit for our customers is actually with that activity and with that information, we can create a much better uptime, significant uptime for our customers. So we inform them very early what's going on the truck before it actually breaks.
How it functions. The FleetBoard customer enables his workshop or an MPC for technical support. The use of the tool is free. The users log into the client. The main advantage is they log in once and immediately receive an overview of all their vehicles and fleets. In the bottom left corner, the user can see the complete list of vehicles with breakdowns as well as vehicles with active faults. After the diagnosis of active faults, the vehicle can be removed from the list as required via hide entry. In the column Active Faults, the workshop or MPC can immediately see how serious the faults are. The fault rating is marked using different colors. By double-clicking any of the vehicles, the user can immediately see the latest position of the vehicle in mapping. At the same time, the user can view the details of the vehicle as it pops up here. The complete overview of the vehicle documentation, fleet data, and actual vehicle status such as brake wear and oil pressure can be seen here. This information is given to the workshop in order to make a diagnosis of the vehicle. The workshop or MPC should use the Daimler internal systems, VIS and TIPS, to interpret the error code. The error memory actualizes itself daily. It consists of active and inactive vehicle faults. While clicking on Menu in the Active Errors window, the user can filter the vehicles using the error quality rating. Here the users can see the breakdown vehicles. With a right-click on the vehicle and then a further double-click on Show the vehicle in mapping, they can view the breakdown position of the vehicle in mapping. With a double-click on the same vehicle, the actual position of the vehicle will be shown in mapping. On the left-hand side in the navigator, they can open different fleets and view different vehicles that are linked to the fleet. With a right-click on one of those fleets, the user can go to Show the active fleet vehicles in mapping, and all of the active vehicles in the fleet will be shown.
The FleetBoard Uptime Viewer does not show only the latest position of the truck, it also tells you the technical status in forms of fault codes, active fault codes on the truck. There are 4 different stages visible. The first one shown in green means everything is in order on the truck. Second one is gray, actually means there's a minor problem, not that severe on the truck. Interesting is fault code 1 and fault code 2. Fault code 1, shown in amber color, means there is a more severe problem going on. Truck is not broken yet, but fault code 2 is very severe. Truck is broken already and shown in red. Also, when the driver presses the service call button, it's highlighted in red color.
The Uptime Viewer is the new support tool for certified FleetBoard premium partners and NPCs. It provides more transparency, as well as it supplies quick and preventive solutions for customers. At the end of the day, it's a great benefit for a customer, as it saves a lot of repair costs and follow-up costs.
On the 7th of October 2011, one of the vehicles with the fault rating red was identified in South Africa via the Uptime Viewer. The customer, the right mix, was immediately informed of the fault by the Uptime Manager.
With our FleetBoard customer, the right mix, we identified recently a clutch problem in a very early stage. The truck was still running, but we have seen on the Uptime Viewer that something is going on the clutch. So we phoned the customer to recommend that he brings the truck to the workshop to check it before the clutch finally breaks. But in comparison, if he would have not done that, there are savings for the customers. Breakdown labor cost, towing charge for the truck, towing charge for the trailer. Overall, including VAT, there was a saving of 9,000 rand, what is equivalent to 800 euros.
Summarized, the main advantages of the Uptime Viewer are: the users only have to log in once. They get an overview of the fleet and the vehicles. The problematic vehicles in red are visible immediately via mapping and breakdown or active error lists. All error codes and vehicle status data are shown on one screen. Conclusion: more transparency for the workshop and a reduction of costs for the customer repairs. The process of telediagnosis is still developing, and therefore the Uptime Viewer is only available for NPCs and certified FleetBoard premium partners. The documents for installation are available upon request. Please refer to your contact person at FleetBoard After Sales for further information.